大家好. 애터미 회원 여러분 안녕하십니까? 여러분 모두 건강하시죠? 네. 신종 코로나 이슈로 국내외가 정말 어수선하지만 오늘 여러분께 정말 희소식을 전해드리려고 합니다. 지금까지 많은 분들이 오랫동안, 정말 오랫동안 손꼽아 기다리던 중국 시장이 드디어 오픈됩니다. 4월 회원 가입을 시작으로 6월경에 정식으로 쇼핑몰이 오픈될 예정입니다. 이제부터 중국 사업에 대한 여러 가지 안내를 해드릴 텐데요. 잘 듣고 이해하셔서 모든 분들이 중국에서 큰 성공을 거두시기를 진심으로 바랍니다. 중국은 지금까지 애터미가 진출했던 다른 지역과 사업 환경과 관련 법규가 굉장히 다른 점이 많고 규제와 단속이 심하기 때문에 잘 듣고 잘 이해하시는 것이 굉장히 중요합니다. 애터미가 중국에 진출하는 사업 모델은 인터넷 쇼핑몰을 통한 경소상 방식의 사업입니다. 다른 지역에서는 일반 개인이 회원으로 가입해서 곧바로 애터미 사업이 가능하지만 이번에 애터미가 중국에 먼저 이렇게 오픈을 하려고 하는 방식은 사업자 등록증을 구비를 하고 법인 신분으로 회사와 경소상 계약을 해야만 정식 사업이 가능합니다. 회사에서는 작년부터 직소 허가 취득이 지연되는 과정에서 이와 같은 방법으로 중국 시장에 진출하는 데 있어서 많은 전문가와 학자 그리고 전문 로펌과 공동 연구를 통해서 이러한 방식이 합법적이고 안정적으로 진출할 수 있는 방안인지에 대해서 굉장히 면밀하게 검토를 하고 준비를 해왔습니다. 또한 지난 1월에도 베이징 대학교에서 한중 전문가들이 모여 직접 판매에 관한 학술 대회가 있었는데요. 애터미 중국 사업 모델이 발표되어서 업계 전문가들로부터 긍정적인 반응을 얻었습니다. 현재 중국의 모든 직접 판매 업체들이 직소 사업과 병행해서 경소상 모델을 활용해서 합법적인 환경에서 사업을 하고 있습니다. 애터미도 직소허가를 받기 전에 먼저 경소상 모델을 통해서 합법적이고 안정적으로 사업이 잘 안착될 것으로 기대를 하고 있습니다. 마침 최근에 넥스트 이코노미에 중국 네트워크 산업의 환경과 정책 제도에 대한 보도가 나왔습니다. 여기에 경소상 제도에 대한 상세한 소개가 잘 되어 있으니 잘 읽어보시면 앞으로 여러분들께서 중국에서 사업하시는데 많은 도움이 될 것으로 생각합니다. 중국 법인은 직소허가를 계속 추진 중에 있으며 직소허가를 취득하는 대로 이 경소상 제도와 동시에 직소원을 통한 직소사업을 시작하게 될 것입니다. 사실은 지난달부터 중국 오픈을 계획을 하고 있었는데요. 공교롭게도 코로나 사태가 발발해서 공지를 계속해서 늦추면서 추이를 지켜보고 있었지만 계속 확산이 되다 보니까 언제까지 기다리는 것보다는 이렇게 영상으로라도 여러분들께 먼저 알려드리고 오픈을 하는 것이 좋겠다는 사업자분들의 의견이 많아서 이렇게 여러분들께 알려드리게 되었습니다. 중국은 여러분들 잘 아시다시피 아직까지 입국할 때 강제로 14일간 격리를 하고 있고 또 격리 환경이 지역에 따라서 굉장히 열악하기 때문에 중국에 무리해서 들어가려고 하지 마시고 SNS나 화상통화 등을 통해서 연락을 주고받으시기를 바랍니다. 중국 법인에서는 중국 사업에 대한 자세한 안내를 알기 쉽게 영상으로 준비를 했기 때문에 파트너분들께 SNS로도 충분히 안내해 드릴 수 있을 것 같습니다. 그리고 이 영상은 중국어뿐만 아니라 한국어, 영어, 그리고 여러 다국어로 제작이 되어서 제공될 예정입니다. 정말 오랫동안 손꼽아 기다려오신 중국 오픈 소식을 이렇게 영상으로나마 이제 여러분께 알려드릴 수 있어서 기쁘게 생각을 합니다. 지금까지 정말 오랫동안 기다려오신 여러분께 감사와 또 축하를 드리면서 중국에서 여러분들이 지금까지 많이 노력하신 만큼 큰 결실을 맺을 수 있기를 바랍니다. 그러면 중국 사업에 대한 안내 영상을 잘 보시고 앞으로 중국 사업에 많은 도움이 되시기를 바랍니다. 애터미 중국 화이팅! 짜요, 짜요, 짜요!
Atomy China Q&A. We will collect and answer all the questions that members are curious about. Number 1. Terms and conditions of membership. Membership registration for Atomy China will start in April. Atomy China membership includes membership registration as consumers and membership registration as vendors. Consumers and vendors will be able to purchase products and enjoy various membership services using Atomy China's shopping mall website, which will be opened in the future. Consumers and vendors will be able to buy products with an exclusive 15% membership price discount. Furthermore, vendors will be able to receive incentives based on their business performance in addition to their normal member benefits. Then I will proceed with the conditions and processes for membership. Any adult citizen who is over 22 years old can join. Foreigners can join as a consumer member as long as they have a long-term resident status in China. However, they will not be able to switch to a vendor membership status. In addition, you must have an ID and a mobile phone number, as there is a mobile authentication process when you sign up for membership. Consumer members can easily sign up through the company's website or through our mobile app at no extra cost. The order of registration as it appears on the official website is the following. You will be authenticated with your ID card and mobile phone number, and after that, you must enter your membership information on the website and agree to the terms of the membership. These are the steps to obtain membership in Atomy China. If you wish to become a vendor, after you have registered as a consumer member, you can apply immediately as a vendor by going to the vendor registration link and applying for a vendor membership. Number 2. Conditions and methods to apply as a vendor. After signing up for a consumer membership, you can apply for a vendor membership through the registration website mobile app and attaching copies of required documents. You will need copies of your ID, of your certified business registration, and of your bank book. The certified business registration must meet the requirements below. Your business name cannot use terms related to Atomy, the representative of your business registration must match the name shown in your ID, and the registered categories for your business must include consultant or service. Unfortunately, the following people are not allowed to apply for a vendor membership: students, teachers, medical personnel, civil servants, active duty soldiers, foreigners, people declared as incompetent or with limited capacity by law, people with criminal records, and people involved in religious cults. After uploading all the required documents, you must sign the conditions and the pledge and answer an online exam to pass the application. Upon completion of the application, the certification process will proceed. The results of the authentication process will be sent to the registered mobile phone number. People who have completed the certification process will be able to do business as vendors when the Chinese branch online shopping mall opens. Number 3. Application conditions and process for approved provisional centers. Applications for approved provisional centers will be open at the same time as applications for Chinese memberships. The application period for approved provisional centers is from April 15th to August 31st of 2020, and global standards for applications will be applied from September onwards. The application process is only available to Chinese nationals, and a letter of recommendation and a written pledge from a member of the Royal Leaders Club must be presented. There should not be a disciplinary record of disciplinary action until the application date, and the application process is not possible for established businesses. The approved provisional center should be located in a place with convenient transportation close by and must have a clean and spacious environment. The area of the location should be between 70 meters squared and 600 meters squared, and the distance between established approved provisional centers should be at least 1 kilometer or more. Buildings such as government agencies, military, schools, hospitals, residences, etc. are not viable for approved provisional centers. Locations on the first floor or basements of such buildings or in shopping malls cannot open provisional service centers. The only way to apply for an approved provisional center is through the online center application system, and applications should be registered following the instructions presented by the center application system. The first application step is completed by submitting and uploading the Royal Leaders Club members' recommendation and pledge, a center director's pledge, a photo of the current office, and a business plan must be uploaded as well. Those who pass the first document review by the company will be interviewed face-to-face for the second step of the application, and after an on-site inspection, the center will be registered as a potential candidate center. The director of the approved provisional center must attend the training for center directors conducted by the company and pass an exam to obtain the final approval. The training course for directors of approved provisional centers will be conducted on a day designated by the company or may be conducted online due to the COVID-19 pandemic. All approved provisional centers are not considered formal official centers until they have been approved as a formal center by meeting the conditions specified by the company. After being recognized as an approved provisional center, you must achieve a positive balance in your business accounting at least 3 times within 3 months of the opening of Atomi's online shopping mall. If this condition is not cleared, the registration for the approved provisional center will be canceled. In the event of violation of the vendor's rules, center operation rules, national laws, etc., during the approved provisional center operation period, the center status will be canceled. Number 4. Membership branch transfer request. If a member of Atomi's other branches wants to transfer his or her membership to the Chinese branch, that member must clear the following qualifications. First, the member must be a Chinese citizen and be over 22 years old, and only vendor members who have legally joined other branches are allowed to transfer. Consumer members are not qualified. Also, you cannot apply for transfer if you are a Chinese national member of another branch that has not registered your Chinese ID information. Applications to transfer branch membership will be processed by Atomy China Customer Center by email from April to May of 2020. You must fill out the required documents for your branch transfer application and attach the required documents as files when applying for the transfer. More details on the transfer dates and application method will be made public through future notices. After changing the affiliated branch, the site of the previous affiliated branch cannot be used, and only Atomy China's site will be allowed for use. Please note that if the transferring member violates the regulations or rules after the transfer has been confirmed, the transfer may be canceled. Atomy China branch will launch around 70 products from categories such as health food, cosmetics, and daily necessities when the online shopping mall opens through importing, production in our own factories, and sourcing from local OEMs in China. Please check the FAQ on Atomy China's website for any questions you may have about the policy system, shipping, seminars, and shopping mall-related inquiries regarding Atomy China branch opening. We would like to inform you of the requests we have made regarding the registration for Chinese membership. In order to prevent any misconducts or violations in the early stages of the opening of Atomy China, please thoroughly adhere to the company guidelines to help us settle well in the Chinese market. The COVID-19 pandemic is still prevalent in China. Since membership registration can increase the number of face-to-face contacts, meetings, and gatherings for membership registration, it could have an effect on the health and safety of our members. We ask you to promote and guide others to proceed with our online member registration. There are currently 14 days quarantine measures implemented for all foreigners in China. If you leave the quarantine or make face-to-face contact during the quarantine period, you will be subject to criminal prosecution and may include fines. If an overseas member enters China and establishes contact with prospective members in China, the spreading of the pandemic may threaten the health of our members and adversely affect the establishment of businesses in China. Until the situation with the COVID-19 pandemic stabilizes, we would like to request a temporal restriction on overseas members from entering China. We ask for your cooperation. Recently, exaggerated advertisements for healthy foods are increasing rapidly as an effective tool in preventing and treating the pandemic. The Chinese government is currently focusing on regulating these exaggerated advertisements that use the COVID-19 pandemic, and such endorsements on these kinds of products will be subject to strong punishment from the Chinese government. Please make sure that you promote our products without exaggeration or hype on its health benefits. Members, the Chinese market, which has been waiting for you so far, will be open soon. Keep in mind that the Chinese market is different from other overseas markets in many ways, including the market environment, regulations, and business systems. If you strictly follow Chinese laws and regulations and do business in accordance with the guidelines provided by our company, we assure you will have unprecedented results with us. We look forward to your active support and cooperation.